Top Ecomi holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Ecomi. What's the current price of Omi coin? What's the price change of the Omi? And this video, I will share all of the data of the Omi coin. You have to just subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, first of all, if we talk about the current price of the Omi coin, so at this time price of Omi coin is 0.002172 USD dollar. Is the currently latest price of the Omi coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price change of the Omi coin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, my friends, at this time the Omi coin is only an unique cryptocurrency at this time in the market, which all changes is positive. You can see your last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, these all changes is positive. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Omi coin, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Omi coin. For more details, absolutely, my friends, I'm feeling very satisfied about the Omi coin. Let's see, my friends, more about the Omi coin. Currently situation is also going good. Now it is time the price is going to increase. Good jumps over in the Omi coin, and you can see here, my friends, at this time the Omi coin and price is going down negative. You can see here in the last hour the price is faster for a little time, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. No, you have to hold. If you hold for a long time, so absolutely there's a possibility so you will get good amount of profit. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Omi coin? Please tell me in the comment box saying, you know what, my prediction about Omi coin is 100% positive. I believe that every coin, there is a lot of possibilities to every coin changes is positive in the last of June. In the last of month, there is a higher possibilities to the price pump. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates and news videos.